Hi, welcome. My name is Edwin Diaz, as you already know, probably by looking at the course, uh, at my profile or the course description. All right. So, in this course, we are going to be learning how to master the DOM. Mastering the DOM. Now, the DOM stands for Document Object Model. This is the thing behind the representation of behind the HTML. This is what this is the big daddy of HTML in the browser. This is going to wrap that all that HTML that we write, and is going to give us properties and methods that we can use to manipulate all that data using JavaScript. All right, I'm going to explain to you exactly what the DOM is later on. But now just know that this is the big daddy, all right, of the HTML document inside the browser. All right. Now, I want to give you some tips before we keep going on this course, all right? And I do this in most of my courses because I want you guys to have good knowledge, not just from the courses itself, but from for life, all right? These tips that I give you are going to work for this course and for many other courses as well. First of all, create your goals, all right? So if you're going to do 2 lectures today, make sure you write them down, make sure you finish them. Practice along with me in every lecture. Don't get lazy. Remember that your time is very precious and you're here to learn. The more you practice, the more that information is going to get stuck in your head. All right? Don't skip lectures. You never know when I'm going to show you something different. Like I said before in other lectures, if I name a lectures, for example, literal functions or something like that, inside the lecture I might show you something else. I might show you the literal function, but I might add other little tips in there that could give you more knowledge. All right. Always finish the course. Finish what you start. All right. So if you start the course in September, October, November, December, finish it. Just set yourself a goal, even if it's one video a day. Set the goal, and little by little, you will finish the course, no matter how big it is. All right. Well, my friends, my dear students, thank you so much for joining me this new adventure in this course. I hopefully, all right, you can be satisfied with all the lectures that I have created for this course. We're gonna be learning a bunch, especially those that are just starting to get into the intermediate level in JavaScript. You're gonna learn a lot of things here in this course. You're gonna love it. And if you have any questions, I'm here for you. Just post it in the discussions. You can find me on Facebook, on Twitter, or whatever other social place out there. Go to my profile, check on my links, and I'll see you in the next lectures. Take care. Bye bye.